Hello, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which Indian institute has developed the new siphon-based thermal desalination system? A. Indian Institute of Science. B. Indian Institute of Technology Madras. C. CSIR National Chemical Laboratory. D. Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. Sanchar Sathi is a citizen-centric initiative of which government department? A. Department of Telecommunication. B. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. C. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. D. National Cyber Security Center. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. What is the name of campaign launched by ICC and UNICEF during the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 to promote equal opportunity for children? A. Play for Children. B. Promise to Children. C. Child Safety and Well-being. D. Champions for Children. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Chris Wokes, who recently announced his retirement from international cricket, belongs to which country? A. Sri Lanka. B. South Africa. C. England. D. Australia. Correct answer is C. Question number 5. Which people's movement from Mysore received the 31st Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award for preserving traditional farming practices? A. Sahaj Samudra. B. Navdanya. C. Green India Initiative. D. Indigenous Crop Conservator. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Which country received the International Social Security Association Award 2025 for outstanding achievement in social security? A. Bangladesh. B. India. C. Nepal. D. Myanmar. Correct answer is B. Question number 7. What kind of vessel is INS Satluj? A. Hydrographic survey vessel. B. Diesel electric submarine. C. Stealth multi-role frigate. D. Torpedo launch and recovery vessel. Correct answer is A. Question number 8. Painted storks were recently spotted in which national park after 4 years? A. Sundarban National Park. B. Pench National Park. C. Ranthambore National Park. D. Kaziranga National Park. Correct answer is D. Question number 9. Astronomers recently detected phosphine in the atmosphere of brown dwarf Wolf 130c which using which telescope? A. Hubble Space Telescope. B. James Webb Space Telescope. C. Spitzer Space Telescope. D. Chandra X-ray Observatory. Correct answer is B. Question number 10. What is the name of the Interpol-led operation targeting transnational cyber-enabled financial crimes? A. Operation Falcon. B. Operation Blackout. C. Operation Haichi 6. D. Operation Blackout. Correct answer is C. Question number 11. Which Iceland nation hosted the world's first ever live underwater interview? A. Palau. B. Tonga. C. Tuvalu. D. Samoa. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. World's Health Day is observed annually on which day? A. October 7, B. October 8, C. October 9, D. October 10. Correct answer is D. Question number 13. National Post Day is celebrated in India's every year on which day? A. October 8, B. October 9, C. October 10, D. October 11. Correct answer is C. Question number 14. Which cities in India have been selected by Meta Platforms as landing sites for the undersea cable project Waterworth? A. Mumbai and Chennai. B. Chennai and Kolkata. C. Mumbai and Visakhapatnam. D. Visakhapatnam and Kochi. Correct answer is C. Question 15. Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question 16. Pala- Palamu Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Kerala, B. Jharkhand, C. West Bengal, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. According to NCRB report, the sharp rise in crimes against scheduled tribes in 2023 was largely due to violence in which Indian state? A. Mizoram, B. Manipur, C. Assam, D. Nagaland. Correct answer is Assam. Sorry, correct answer is B. Manipur. Question 18. Which country has unveiled its most powerful intercontinental ballistic missiles named Hwasong 20? A. United Kingdom, B. Japan, C. Australia, D. North Korea. Correct answer is D. Question 19. Which zoological park is home to India's first fully solar powered zoo? A. Mysore Zoo, B. Bannerghatta Biological Park, Karnataka. C. Nandkanan Zoological Park, Odisha. D. Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Question 20. Which city launched India's first quick response code based kiosk for paying traffic fines? A. New Delhi, B. Lucknow, C. Gurugram, D. Greater Noida. Correct answer is C. Question 21. Logistic Excellence Advancement and Performance Shield 2025 is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, B. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question 22. Which state government has launched the Chief Minister's Foreign Language Initiative for Global Human Talent in October 2025? A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Nagaland, D. Tripura. Correct answer is A. Question 23. Naing Hydroelectric Project is located in which state? A. Nagaland, B. Manipur, C. Assam, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question 24. What is the rank of India in the 2025 Global Hunger Index report? A. 87th, B. 86, C. 104, D. 102. Correct answer is D. Question 25. What is the primary purpose of the crew escape system developed by ISRO? A. To quickly pull the crew module to safety during a launch abort. B. To monitor weather conditions. C. To increase rocket speed. D. To launch satellites into orbit. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.